Eat healthy and live longer. Eat healthy and live longer.
Eat healthy and live longer.
Oh! Okay. What's up, YouTubers, foodies, friends, and family? You know who it is. It's the Urban Chef. Eat healthy, live longer. Eat healthy, live longer. I told you I relocated to the West Coast here out in Arizona. Check it out. For those of y'all who didn't know, I'm going to introduce new guests, new chefs, different people. Right now I have a special guest. If you didn't know, this is one of the main reasons of two. The other one's behind the camera. This is one of the other the main reason why I moved to Arizona to be with my kids and to make healthy food. Say what's up, Oregon. How's it going? All right, today, what I have for you, we're going to do some pizzas. Flatbread pizzas. What easier and kids love them. You love pizza? Da, 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 da. All right. Let's go. Let me see. Let me do some Sornigo. Anyway, okay. I have all the ingredients here. Let me show you what I have. I have some onions, jalapenos. I got olives, spinach. Got the sauce. Got sausage. What is this here? What kind of cheese? This Parmesan cheese? And this is, what kind of cheese is this? This is mozzarella. That's a piece of cheese. What do you have here? Okay, I got my gloves on. Let's get some sanitizer on. Remember at home, be sanitary. Yep. All right. Everything's good. You good? You ready? What do you like to do? I hear you a good student. When you're not in school, what kind of stuff you like to do? You color good? Okay. You tell jokes? Okay, well check it out. Hit me with a couple of food jokes. Celery, I have celery here, and I have some carrots. What would they say to each other? Wanna go for a dip? I get it. Okay, hit me with another joke. I know one. A pig that does karate. That's a mean pig. What do you call it? A pork chop. Where you get that? Let me put a little sauce on mine, and you can put some on yours and do your thing. Not too much. There you go. Give you a little bit, spread it out, and do your thing. There you go. That's that. Don't get too messy now. Take your time though. And you hoop like this. I'm getting busy. Whoa. Don't get too busy. Alright, look what you're doing. You don't want to get sauce all over. Keep the sauce. We'll put you a little bit more in there. Alright, grab you some cheese. Don't be shy. This is not your first time making a pizza. Let's go. Okay. I'm going to do the healthy since I'm talking about eat healthy, live longer. Let's go with some spinach. A lot of y'all probably don't put spinach on your pizza, but today I am. Here we go. This is how we do it. I got some onions. How's my breath smell?
Self-destruct sequence activated.
It smells okay until I get these onions. Okay, but anyway, the pizza's gonna be good. Got some olives going on here. Oh man, this is gonna be a good pizza. Figaro. So what kind of shows do you like to watch?
Sometimes I like to watch YouTube videos.
YouTube video. I heard you like to watch some Disney stuff. You like Sam and Cat, stuff like that. Mm-hmm. Okay, what show is that the guy that played in The Lion King? What's the guy that played in The Lion King? What show does he play on?
Victoria, Leon Thomas.
Leon Thomas. Okay. What character does he play on that show?
Andre with his crazy grandma.
Oh, Andre. Okay. See, I put all the vegetables on the bottom. And then I'm gonna put some cheese. That's the cheesy sound. Come on. All right. Let's do this right here. Spread the cheese on there. Let's go. Use your fingers. Get on in there. You use that sanitizer. You good. Oh man, look at these pizzas. Your pizza looks better than mine. Put a little of this Parmesan on there. Give it a little high sprinkle. A happy chef makes happy food. Remember that. Eat healthy, live long. That's what's up. Anyway, look at these amazing pizzas. I'm going to stand up All right, we got two nice looking pizzas here. I'll give you a towel here. With the magic of television, I have a preheated oven, 375. The reason 375 is because the ovens, these pizza dough are very thin. If it was a traditional pizza dough, it would probably go to a 425. This is just a flatbread. So we're gonna pop these in for about 8 to 10 minutes. With the magic of television, we'll be right back with some yummy, yummy in the tummy, yummy, yummy pizza. We'll be back. I'm back with the magic of television. Look at these beautiful pizzas. Look at this vegetarian one. Look at the one Morgan made. Speaking of Morgan, where's Morgan at? What? You played a trick on me? Okay, man, look at this. Look what we got. Look at your amazing pizza. Let's try this stuff, huh? What you got right here? You got that for the blue. Yeah, put 2 pieces of that on there. I'm going to put, because I'm trying to eat healthy, live longer, stuff like that. I'm going to put this on here. Okay. All right. What do we got here? Let me wash my hands. All right. Sanitize. Some on your hands. How about we just take these gloves off, out of here. Now, sanitize your hands, chef. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's the best right there. All right. Try your pizza, see what we have. This makes me go. Wait, I'll give you some pizza. Yeah, I know he's like, eat healthy, live longer, eat healthy, live longer. Anyway, you get a slice? Okay, anyway, I'm the urban chef. Eat healthy, live longer, remember that. Remember to like and share. I'll come to your house, I do videos, I do catering, any of that stuff. You hear this guy? Hey, relax. Remember to like and share. Eat healthy, live longer, keep your hands clean. Till the next time I see you, say bye to everybody. This is